Who is it?
Daddy.
Daddy. Oh, he's showing you what he's doing. Tell Daddy what you painted. Tell Daddy.
What did you paint?
He's just showing you.
It's gorgeous.
What is it, Heath? Tell Daddy. Tell Daddy, what did you paint?
Looks good, bud. Is it a
Donald Duck.
Donald Duck?
A giraffe.
Giraffe, yeah, with a long neck.
Yeah, giraffe eats it.
Yeah. Good job, buddy.
Donald Duck's been pretty consistent. Donald Duck. A couple times he said dolphin.
Yeah. That's right, that's a truck.
Track. Bass.
You're so smart, buddy.
What does green... I gave it away. What does blue and yellow make, Heath? What does blue and yellow make? Yeah. He was mixing them. And he was like, green.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he noticed it. He's like, nice.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. That looks really good.
Eat it.
Yep, what does the giraffe eat?
Lettuce.
Okay, that's a truck.
Here it comes. Oh, it's okay. It's a little messy. Better.
That's better.
Good job, Heath.